AUDC administration down, down. Down, 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 down. Students unity, long live. Long live, long live. Students unity, long live. Long live, long live. Students unity, long live. Long live, long live. AUDC, long live. Long live, long live. AUDC, long live. Long live, long live.
Playground construction, we can, if you want for winter, we can again do that JCB type of thing and increase it a little bit.
So what kind of playground is there?
So that is unplayable, sir. If the playground was there, we don't have to go to Casa Stadium to play our football matches, sir. Yes. The students, they have to travel so far to play football tournament, especially this time when we went to Silchar. It was so saddening, sir. My dear students, those who went to play football in Silchar, please raise your hand.
We don't even have the playground to practice our football match.
Yes, sir.
We don't have the ground to do our drills. We don't have the ground to do our warm-ups.
And this was the result, sir. And this is the result.
Actually, we don't want this, sir. Actually, we don't want this to be happen, sir. But you want it, sir. You want
Every year it's happening, sir. Every year we're protesting for the same thing, sir.
Same. Also, we have submitted memorandum also, sir.
The buses.
We have submitted memorandum time and again, sir. These have been the prolonged demands of our students.
Playground, this was for stadium type playground. We have already given the proposal, which approved in 2 stages. But it is in the final stage now. This in the form of a stadium type.
Mini stadium.
Mini stadium type. We have proposed for mini stadium type. It is in the approval stage. 2 places it is already approved. But ultimately this is going to be funded by HIFA, Higher Education Funding Agency is there. Before that, some procedure is there. It is in the pipeline, this one, the construction of the playground. But for last year, we have made at least with JCB, we tried. Earlier, this was also not there. So this is the status of this playground. And about boys hostel, this time also they have not provided the furniture, CPWD. So university has told them, if you don't provide the furniture, then at least you tell what is the total cost of your that thing. Then we will see to it what needs to be done, because CPWD has got this work and they were supposed to complete this boys hostel including furniture. So only the furniture portion is left out for this. University has been writing to them, they are replying, and like that recently also we have from headquarters a letter has been sent to complete, to give us the completion cost.
Sir, it has to be fast track, sir. The hostel should be fast track. But the thing is that the girls' hostel especially, it was supposed to be completed on January 2024. According to the assurance that you have given to us. Not us, the former union. Sir, but now what happened is that the engineer is telling us that it will be completed by January of 2025. And then the furniture. And like that, 3, 4, 5 sessions will go over, sir.
Yes.
These poor students, sir, just look at them, sir. Where are they staying? They're staying in rent, 8 kilometers far from our university. They have to cook for themselves. They have to pay for the rent, sir. At least if they have stayed here in our university, we will have better attendance. They will also have this, they won't have to pay for the extra khacha, sir. No money extra. It would have been able to give so much for our students, sir, but because of these things.
And sir, boys hostel was inaugurated in the year, I think, 2018, but still not functioning, sir. So what is the reasons behind it, sir? It's still not functioning?
The CPWD is supposed to provide the furniture. Then they could not provide, they asked us for extra money. The university provided extra money for the furniture, 55 lakhs they paid, full amount they paid. Now the CPWD is now saying that we have spent that money and we want more money. This is the point where the final thing is not happening. So now university has given the ultimatum that you hand over the hostel to us and we'll do whatever possible and return the 55,000 that we gave for the furniture. This is the situation.
If it was Silchar University, then it would have immediately finished it, sir.
Yes.
If it was Silchar University. But our default campus, sir, they're totally being ignorant to our situation, sir. For 2 years, sir, it's being vacant, sir.
For this admission also, sir, we have been waiting for since 5
Since 5.
Or since 5.
They told us our BDC sir is agreed, our VC sir is agreed. They're roaming us in circles, sir. What can we do? We are not demanding something very outrageous, sir. We are demanding what is rightfully ours.
These are just the basic needs of the students.
Whatever default, that also we accept. That maybe we could not do it in collaboration with Silchar. But ultimately, certain things have to be done by structure. So we are trying. It is a campus, and at the end of it,
Guys, please.
So the thing is that
Silence.
our administration, they are not speaking enough for us, sir. The Silchar campus, they are doing whatever they think is right, sir. If they would have thought that the students of Difu campus are suffering so much, let's do something for them. If our VC sir would have stepped up personally, then it would have been a problem, sir. To the apex authority, if they have taken the issue, then it would have been done immediately. So, but what happens, sir? We have to keep going to our elected bodies, sir. Our executive member, our CEM, we have to go to the minister, we have to keep memorandum, memorandum. And when will we get it, sir?
Sir, you are the PH. Sir, you are the vice chancellor. We have the responsibility to look after the departments and all the students here. You should care, sir. You should care. What the problems are having in different departments? What the students are facing? You should care, sir. But you don't care, sir. You don't care, sir.
Very true.
No, you should care, sir. What kind of problems are facing? What kind of problems are facing in what department is that?
Anthropology.
Anthropology, sir. We have only one faculty member.
Yes.
Anthropology student. Anthropology student, please come here. Please come here. Anthropology student, please come here. Sir, since day one, right now he's in his third semester. 2 semester lost. This is the student anthropology. These anthropology students are telling us from that time only, sir. And there's one guest faculty is there, but that guest faculty cannot teach them properly, sir. We have already approached you, sir, regarding this. See, personally, we have approached you 2-3 times. It's anthropology, sir, anthropology. So are the Silchar people trying to take our Silchar, our anthropology department? So are they not going to care for us, sir? They are also students. They also deserve it, sir.
No, I think it's